Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial to everyone. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to add an aspect ratio in Midjourney. This is a really simple tutorial. First of all, what we have to do, if you like for having this precision, you can go to aspect ratios into parameters here on docsmidjourney.com to make sure all the parameters available to have in mind. So you can put 4.5, 2.3, 4.7, and it goes on. So once you make sure that these all the parameters that you want, if you have, for example, this one, you go to Midjourney, and here we go, as always, we put slash imagine, and here on prompt we put, for example, cat in the woods. And here, listen up, you have to, this is really simple, you have to put space // AR space and the parameter that you want. For example, I'm going to put 7.4. And as you can see, I don't have this description, but it's going to have you the parameter that you want. So these are examples of these pictures here, but you always have in mind these Midjourney aspect ratio parameters. So that will be all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.